Welcome to the FTQ360 tutorial video going over how to use the checklist sharing library. The checklist sharing library has hundreds of checklist templates you can search through and download into your FTQ360 account. You can edit these checklists so they reflect your job and work process. To get started, go to Setup, Checklist Sharing Library. This page lists all of the different checklist templates that are available to you. Use the All Trades drop-down button to filter the list by a specific trade such as cabinet, frame, or HVAC. Or type a keyword in the search field to filter the list. I'm going to type trim into the search field as a keyword. Notice the list is now displaying only checklists with the word trim in the title, or in the description, or in the trade column. You can preview a checklist by hovering your mouse over the eye icon. This preview will show you what checkpoints are on that checklist. When you find a checklist you want to add to your account, click the circle at the beginning of the row to select it. Scroll down to the buttons at the bottom of the screen and click Download. A dialog box will pop up allowing you to change the category or edit the checklist name and code. Click the blue Download button to download this checklist into your FTQ360 account. You can find the checklist now by going to Setup, Checklist Form Setup Process. Your new checklist will be listed on this page and you can select it and go to Checkpoint on the process menu to edit the line items.